we have already studied about Heron's formula, and also we have studied application of Heron's formula in finding areas of quadrilateral. Today in this video we will do some of the problems based on that. So the first question is, a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter, we know in rhombus all the sides are equal. So they have given side of the rhombus as 30 meter and the longer diagonal is 48 meter. So one of the diagonal also they have given. If you name this rhombus as A, B, C, D, one longer diagonal they have given as 48 meter. We need to find out how much area of grass field will each cow will be getting. So this diagonal divides the rhombus into two equal parts. We need to find out area of this triangle using Heron's formula. After that we will find area of the grass field that each cow will be getting. So first, area of the triangle by Heron's formula, we can write square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2 semi-perimeter. So two sides are 30 and the diagonal they have given as 48 divided by 2. We will get 108 by 2, which is equal to 54 meter. Now we will substitute in the formula. So which is equal to 54 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 48. So when you simplify this, we have square root of 54 into 24 into 24 into 6. So 24 you can take outside. We have 54 into 6. 54 we can write as 9 into 6 into 6. So one more 6 and square root of 9 is 3. So area of one triangle is 24 into 3 into 6, which is equal to 432 meter square. So area of first triangle is 432. Since the diagonal divides the rhombus into two equal parts, area of the second triangle will be also 432. So total area will be 432 plus 432, which is equal to 864 meter square. Now total number of cow is 18. We need to find out area of grass field that each cow will get for grazing. So that total area divided by 18 we need to do. So total number of cow is 18. Area of grass field each cow will get for grazing is 864 divided by 18, which is equal to 48 meter square. So the next question is, an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors, each piece measuring 25 centimeter, 50 centimeter. So the next question is, an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? You can see a triangular piece here, and each side measure 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 20 centimeter. We need to find area of the triangle by Heron's formula, which is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Two different colors are used. First we will find out area of one triangle. Total 10 pieces are there. So 5 pieces of red color and 5 pieces of white color. First we will find out area of one triangle. Then the question is how much cloth of each color is required. So the area of one triangle into 5 we need to do, because total 10 pieces are there and two different colors are used. So which is S, we will find out A plus B plus C divided by 2, which is equal to 20 plus 50 plus 50 divided by 2. 120 divided by 2 is 60. Now we will substitute in the formula 60 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 20. So which is equal to square root of 60 into 10 into 10 into 40. This we can write as 110 we can take outside. Again square root of 60 into 40. 10 into 10 into 10 into 6 into 4 I can write. Again one more 10 you can take outside. So it is 200, and 6 into 4 we can write as 3 into 2, and 4 we can write as 2 into 2. So which is equal to 200 root 6 centimeter square. So area of one triangular piece is 200 root 6 centimeter square. Therefore area of 5 triangular piece, you need to multiply this answer with 5. So area of 5 triangular piece is equal to 5 into 200 root 6, which is equal to 1000 root 6 centimeter square. So thank you for watching my video.